Hello everyone and welcome to Marg ERP video, and in this video today we are going to tell you the process of e-invoice in Marg software. Before that, we would like to tell you that those whose turnover is above 20 crore, it is mandatory to upload their e-invoices on GST portal, and it will be applicable from 1st April 2022. Now let us know what is e-invoicing. This is a process in which the supplier uploads his B2B, export and the credit or debit note invoices of registered party on the GSTN portal, which is known as electronic invoicing, means e-invoicing. Now the supplier does not have to face any problem in filling the GST-WHAT return. Along with this, his buyers will hand to hand get the opportunity to avail ITC. And as the invoice gets uploaded, then the supplier will receive an acknowledgement on behalf of the government. The supplier will also get the IRN, that is invoice reference number, and in the same way an acknowledgement will also be sent to the buyer. The purpose to start the e-invoicing by the tax departments is to ease the complete process of invoicing, so that it reduces all the reconciliation problems related to the data and to easily file the return, which will help the taxpayers to easily get the input tax credit. So now let's come and see its process. In order to upload your invoices on e-invoice portal, you need to firstly register on e-invoice portal, for which you will visit to einvoice1.gst.gov.in. Then from here you will go to registration and click on e-invoice enablement. After that you will mention your GST-IN, then mention the captcha which is being shown to you here and click on go. So in this way your details will be shown to you here. Then you will tick on the checkbox of I agree and click on send OTP. So an OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number. The OTP which will be received, you will mention that OTP here and click on verify OTP. So your registration process will get completed on e-invoice portal. After that, you will go to e-invoice portal. Click on login and then enter the username and password. Then mention the captcha as shown to you here and click on login. A dashboard will get open. Now from the menu which are given on the left hand side of the dashboard, you will click on API registration and from here click on create API user. So this API registration window will open, in which it will be mentioned, do you wish to register your GST-IN for API interface directly or through GSP? So we will take on the circle of through GSP. As we will take on it, then few fields will get open, like select your GSP, username, password, etc. In which from the drop down of GSP, you will select GSP. And here we would like to tell you that we have a collaboration with Master India Private Limited and Pinnacle FinServe Advisors Private Limited. You can do your registration through them. So through whichever company you want to do your registration from both these companies, you can select that company from the drop down of select your GSP. Suppose for now we will select Master India Private Limited, and here we will create the username and the password as per the requirement. Then re-enter the password here and click on this given submit tab. As you will submit it, then an OTP will be received on your registered mobile number. You will fill that OTP here and click on verify OTP. So a pop-up message of account created successfully will be shown to you here. You will simply click on OK. So in this way we will complete the process of portal. Now let's come and see its process in the software. And in Marg software you can upload your single and bulk invoices on e-invoice portal. So firstly let's come and see that how you can upload your single invoice on e-invoice portal. For this, firstly from home screen of the software, you will go to GST, then click on GSTR settings. Then you will come to this select your GSP field given on this GSTR settings window, and from the drop down select GSP. Means if you have selected Master India Private Limited as a GSP and done the registration, so you will select Master India in this field, and if you have done the registration through Pinnacle FinServe Advisors Private Limited, then you will set this field to my GST Cafe. So as we have done the API integration from Master India Private Limited, that is why we will set this select your GSP field to Master India from the drop down, and we will click on OK button. Again, after clicking on OK, we will save the settings and come to the home screen. After this, we have to do some settings in the control room, for which we will go to Master's menu, then to Marg Setups, and then click on Control Room option. Then from here, by clicking on the Search in All field, type E-Invoice in Search field and then click on Accept tab. And set this E-Invoice Y on F4 key, A for Ask and N for No field. As A means whenever you will generate the invoice, then software will ask you that do you want to generate your E-Invoice on portal or not. So we will set this field to A, due to which whenever you will save the bill after generating it, then the software will ask you for uploading it. Then is E-Invoice, Y HSN code, I item wise and N for no field. If you want to upload your invoice or invoices on the portal HSN wise, then you will set this field to Y. And if you want to upload your invoice or invoices item wise, then you will set this field to I. So for now, we will set this field to Y, that is HSN code. After this, we will press escape key twice and then by saving the changes, we will come to home screen of the software. Then from eWay menu, we will click on login details. So in this way, a miscellaneous GST login credentials window will open. Now you will click on edit. Then from here in E-Invoice login credential, you will mention that username and password which you have created at the time of API registration. Then mentioning the details, we click on this given save button. After that, from GST menu, you will click on generate E-Invoice option. So a Marg Gst Summary window will open in front of you, through which you can upload your invoices. In Marg Gst Summary window, you will select the date in the period field, that is from which date till which date of invoices you want to view, and then click on the show button here. As you will click on show, then you can view all the invoices of B2B. Credit note or export will get displayed with proper details for the selected period, like GST-IN, tax type, invoice date, invoice number, bill amount, etc. And the invoices which are already being filed will get displayed with a tick sign, and the invoices which are not yet filed will get displayed as untick. After that, you can select from these given three boxes here, means you can apply a filter that whether you need to view only B2B invoices or export invoices or credit note invoices, or you want to view all three of them. By default, all these three boxes are already marked with a tick sign which you can select it as per your requirement. So for now, we will select any one invoice from B2B, export and credit note which we want to upload and then click on upload tab. As you will click on upload, then an E-Invoice window will get displayed along with some parameters, in which you can select that for the selected invoice, whether you want to view and send all the details or only mandatory details which are important on the government portal need to be sent, or any additional details need to be sent. Next, from here you can view company details and party details and can modify them as per your requirement. In order to view or modify the company details, you will click on the given company details tab. So a company detail window will open with some fields, in which the fields with an asterisk sign are mandatory to be filled and must be uploaded. For modifying the mentioned details, you can click on edit and modify them as per your requirement and save it. Similarly, you can click on the party details tab, and then this export customer party details window will open with some fields which you can edit as per your requirement. And from here you can also switch to company detail window by ticking the circle of company. Apart from it, you can click on search tab and can view the transaction detail, document detail, seller and buyer details, dispatch and shipping details, export detail, etc. and also modify them. Like if you want to view and modify dispatch detail, then from search tab you will search dispatch detail. Then click on the modify button given in front of the dispatch detail. Then a dispatch address window will open with different fields. The fields with an asterisk sign are mandatory to be filled. If you want to do any changes in the given fields, then you can modify the mentioned details in the fields as per the requirement. Similarly, you can view and modify export detail, means delivery address as per your requirement, same by clicking on the given modify button. And in case of export, means if your goods are being exported to another country, means out of India, then in this case you can also change the value of foreign currency by clicking on the given modify button in front of foreign currency. Then this change value window will open. You will select the value from the drop down of foreign currency as per your requirement and can change it. Similarly, you can also change the country code from its drop down according to that country where your goods are being exported. Now after viewing and modifying all the details as per your requirement, you will firstly click on this check button which is given here. As you will click on this check button, the software will auto detect that whether all the details are properly provided or not. Means whether there is any issue or error in it for uploading that invoice. If any type of an error arises in it, then the software will indicate that error in order to correct or fill it as per your requirement. And if all the details are correct and completed, then an alert message of all the mandatory information available will get displayed on the screen. Now you will simply click on OK. As you will click on OK, then all the tabs, that is e-return, JSON and upload, will be clickable like the rest of the tabs. Now you will simply click on the upload tab to upload your invoices so that all your selected invoices will get uploaded on E-Invoice portal. And an alert message of E-Invoice successfully uploaded will appear on the screen along with the acknowledgement number and date. Then click on OK. So an invoice IRN, that is invoice reference number details window, will open along with the signed QR code. If you will scan this QR code with the government app like it is mentioned below, that is QR code can be scanned by E-Invoice app only to see the output. Then you can view the complete summary of that scanned bill. After this, let's come and see how you can upload the bulk invoices on E-Invoice portal. For that, in this Marg Gst Summary window, by mentioning the dates and period field as per your requirement, you will click on this checkbox and can select all the invoices and upload it, or the invoices of the selected date which are shown to you here. You can manually select that invoices which you want to upload by clicking on the checkbox in front of the invoices and then simply click on generate. As you will click on the checkbox, then an alert message of do you wish to upload bulk invoices will be shown to you like this. You will click on yes from here. Now in order to check if there are any error in those invoices which you are going to upload, then you can click on this check button. So this type of error status window will get open, in which if there is any kind of error in the invoices which are going to get uploaded, then all the errors will be shown to you in this error status window. Else this window will be shown to you as blank like it is showing to you now. And to upload the invoices on the portal, you will click on upload from here. So the uploading process will get started, and like this your bulk invoices will get uploaded on E-Invoice portal. So friends, by following the process shown in the video, you can easily upload your single and bulk invoices on E-Invoice portal. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Marg Tutorial YouTube channel and press this bell icon so you can stay updated with latest videos.